Duplex apartment with spacious hallways, large open spaces and beautiful staircases are becoming more popular every day. Such home interiors are cleverly divided into functional and practical areas, designed in a specific style and the best without caring about saving space. However, today we invite you to see an older but beautifully designed apartment on 2 levels with rooftop terrace. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. At first glance, you can say that there is nothing special about this apartment, and yet you will discover here that even with a small budget you can create a comfortable home interior. You will also see that when arranging an apartment which is divided into upper and lower levels, it is important to take into consideration the features of the layout, advantages and the disadvantages. Generally speaking, it is much better to entrust the design of such a kind of apartment to a professional designer. But let's get back to our apartment design from the video. Let me quote from the article with the same title from our website, How to Build a House. From the entrance hallway, you get into an open space situated on the lower level. So the lower level has an open plan living room, kitchen and dining area. The living room has a comfortable 2-seat sofa, an ottoman as a coffee table, a side table, a TV stand and a floor lamp. The kitchen has basic appliances, cream color cabinets and a generous countertop area. The dining area has a rectangular table and 4 metal chairs. The walls are painted in a neutral color and the floor is simply gorgeous. Oak hardwood floor throughout. Floor-to-ceiling windows and glass sliding door that leads to a balcony. The upper level has 2 bedrooms, one of them a master bedroom and a bathroom. Both bedrooms are in fact multifunctional rooms with working stations. The master bedroom has a queen-size bed, a computer desk and a small piano. Quite large paintings on the walls. A walking-in closet complement the decor. The second bedroom has a single bed, a desk, a chair and a bookshelf. The bathroom has a shower, a sink, a toilet and a mirror. The walls are decorated with posters and photos and the floor is again a gorgeous hardwood floor. The terrace is accessed by a spiral wooden staircase from the upper level. The rooftop terrace has a wooden deck, a sitting area with two small coffee tables, and a U-shaped rattan couch with comfortable cushions. The space has privacy, being surrounded by a tall wooden fence and large potted plants. The large potted plants separate the sitting area from the dining area, where you can find a simple wooden table, 4 wooden chairs, a parasol, and some plants. The large rooftop terrace offers a nice view of the city and is perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.